Hello folks, today we are going to see component of vectors. A component of a vector is a projection of the vector on an axis. Here we have the x component of the vector, and here the y component of the vector. We call it resolving the vector. So we have here a triangle. We complete a right triangle with the vector forming the hypotenuse from the tail of one component to the head of the other component. Here we have a video about vectors that have this rule here. So we can find the components using the relation with cosine and sin. Usually you use sin 2 here to opposite of the angle, and cosine to the complementary of the angle. And to find the magnitude here of the vector, you use the Pythagorean theorem, and to find the tangent you use ay above ax. Okay, let's go to see a solved example. We have here a small airplane leaves an airport. We have here the distance and how far east and north is the airplane from the airport when sighted. We will find the 68 degrees to use the idea that this is sin and here is cosine, okay? Because we are using here 68 degrees. So we use 215 times cosine of 68, you have almost 81 kilometers, and dy, it means dx this size, and dy this size, okay? And we have 200 kilometers. So we have 81 kilometers east and 200 kilometers north of the airport. So let's go to see this exercise. You can stop now and try to do. I will do now. So it's the same idea, sinus and cosinus, and we find the value of the forces here, okay? Let's go this other example. We have here the idea of the complementary angle here to use. You can stop now and I will solve. Now I can solve this using 65 degrees, that is the complementary, or using 25/6, but now I will use sinus, okay? Have this difference. Let's go to see another. This is the same idea using cosinus and sinus to complementary, and now we finished here this exercise.